Yeah. Hello everyone. I'm Lokesh, a quant developer tuning market data into powerful trading strategies from Python script to live trading bot. I will share everything I have learned building system for crypto, forex, stocks, and many more. If you are in algorithmic trading, coding, and financial analyst, you are in the right place. Subscribe for more videos and tutorials, strategy breakdowns, and behind the scene of real quant world. Let's decode markets together. So let's start it with basic Python introduction. What is Python? Python is a programming language. It was created by Hubert van Rossum and released in 1981. It is used for web development, server-side, software development, mathematics, system scripting. What can Python do? Python can be used on server to create web applications. Python can used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database system. It also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production ready software development. Why Python? Python works on different platforms like Windows, Macs, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has simple syntax similar to English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines that some other programming languages take more lines. Python runs on an interpreter system, means that can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can proceed in procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. Good to know. The more recent major version of Python is Python 3, which is shall been used in this tutorial. However, Python 2 although not been updated with anything other than security updates. It's still quite popular. In this tutorial, Python will be written in text editor. It is possible to write Python in an integrated development environment such as Tony, PyCharm, NetBeans, or Eclipse and Visual Studio like this, which are particularly used when managing larger collection of Python files. Python syntax compared to other programming languages. Python was designed for readability and has some similar to English language with influence from mathematics. Python used new lines to complete a command as opposed to other programming language which often use semicolons or parentheses. Python relies on indentation, spaces, using white spaces to define scope such as the scope of loops, functions, and classes. Other programming languages often use curly braces for this purpose. Example